Passive income is a goal or dream for many people, but eludes some because they simply don't know where to start. We are not taught in school how to generate passive income, only how to get jobs. As adults, most of us find ourselves running in the same rat race as everyone else, wondering how we got there and if there is a way out. In this video, we are sharing a list of 50 passive income ideas to get financial freedom and independence. Number 1. Start an affiliate marketing website. Number 2. Create digital products. Number 3. Start micro-investing. Number 4. Be an angel investor. Number 5. Start a lead generation website. Number 6. Invest in index funds. Number 7. Develop a podcast and sell your own informational products. Number 8. Refer friends to great products you already use. Number 9. Sell an ebook online. Number 10. Create an application. Number 11. Create a course on Udemy. Number 12. Create a WordPress theme and sell it. Number 13. Invest in a real estate investment trust. Number 14. Create and sell digital files on Etsy. Number 15. Invest in annuities. Number 16. Create a niche membership site. Number 17. Invest in vending machines. Number 18. High-yield savings accounts and money market funds. Number 19. Start renting out your tools. Number 20. Advertisement hoarding on home or building. Number 21. Start a network marketing. Number 22. Run a site with display ads. Number 23. Invest in mutual funds. Number 24. Create an online course. Number 25. Invest in automatic car wash system. Number 26. If you've old home, then rent your old home. Number 27. Rent out ad space on your vehicle. Number 28. Make passive income in rental properties. Number 29. Selling on Amazon FBA program. Number 30. Selling stock photos. Number 31. CD laddering. Number 32. Become a business partner. Number 33. Building a niche affiliate website. Number 34. Crowdfunded real estate. Number 35. Create a graphics bundle and sell it online. Number 36. Refinance your mortgage. Number 37. Kindle book sales. Number 38. Buy a blog. Number 39. Invest in dividend stocks. Number 40. Instagram sponsored posts. Number 41. Licensing music. Number 42. Digital product sales on Fiverr. Number 43. Flipping domain names. Number 44. Annuities. Number 45. Start a dropshipping business. Number 46. Creating a blog or website. Number 47. Start a YouTube channel. Number 48. Invest in laundromat. Number 49. Start peer-to-peer lending. And number 50. Rent out your car. Anybody can start building wealth at any time from anywhere today. All it takes is to have the right ideas and desire to take action on what you know or learn. You can start building your way up to financial freedom like many others have done. If you found this video helpful, then do not forget to share this video with your friends and family.